Welcome to Group 11 Reflection video. Our team member consists of...
Hello, today we will explore the physical properties of soils and their critical role in agriculture. Soil is not just the foundations for plant growth. Its physical properties like texture, structure, and porosity directly influence how well crops grow. Understanding these properties help farmers manage soil's health to improve water retention and ensure proper root development by examining how soil texture and structure affect water movements and root access to nutrients. We can improve agricultural practices and promote sustainability in farming. So, what is meant by soil texture? Soil texture is the relative proportion of sand, silt, or clay in the soil. Sand. It has a large pore space, allowing water to flow quickly, dries quickly, reduce water retention, and good aeration. Silt, it retains water better than sand and provides available water and moderate aeration. Clay, it holds water and nutrients well, but drains poorly. Clay soil also has poor aeration.
You guys want to know about the soil structure? So soil structure is the arrangement or organization of soil particles, sand, silt, and clay, into aggregates or clumps. These aggregates or clumps are kept together. Organic matter, minerals, and microbial activity, among other natural processes. The size, shape, and stability of these aggregates can vary, and how they are arranged affects important soil characteristics like drainage, aeration, root penetration, and water infiltration. There are 6 types of soil structure. The first one is granular. Its surface soils frequently contain small, spherical particles that are perfect for water circulation and root development. The second one is blocky soil. It has a larger and angular pebbles that are frequently found in subsoils and can have an impact on water flow and root development. The third one is platy soil. It has a flat and thin clusters that can prevent roots from growing and water from penetrating. The fourth is aggregated soil. It is well-structured, porous, better drainage, and improved nutrient availability. Aggregated soils are generally more fertile and supportive of healthy plant growth. The fifth is massive soil. It is compact and dense, poor water infiltration, limited root growth, and poor aeration. Soil that has been compacted by excessive traffic, such as in agricultural fields or urban areas, can also become massive. And then the last one is prismatic aggregates. It is vertically elongated and frequently found in soils that are compacted or have poor drainage.
Moving to the bulk density. I will do some reflection about bulk density. Bulk density is the measure of how much soil weighs in a given space. When soil gets compacted, its bulk density increases, and this will negatively affect the roots grow and water flow. There are 3 effects of increased bulk density on the roots. Growth. First is the roots will harder to grow. Second, the roots will get a lack of oxygen, and the third is the roots will get shallow. There are also some effect of increased bulk density on the water flow. First is the root will be slow to absorb water. Second, it will increase the amount of water runoff, and last but not least is water logging.
Now let's talk about infiltration in soil consistency. It is mentioned how water moves through soil and how moisture affects soil consistency. Number 1, moisture content. Dry soil initially absorb water more quickly, but as they become saturated, infiltration slow. Number 2, organic matter. Soil rich in organic matter tend to have higher infiltration rate due to better porosity and structure. Next, dry soil. Dry soil is hard and brittle, making it resistant to deformation. Number 2, wet soil. When saturated, soil become sticky and plastic in texture with reduced structural integrity.
In conclusion, soil physical properties include textures, structures, bulk density, and porosity are essentials for plant growth, water, retention, and root health. Understanding and managing these properties lead to better crop production and soil conservation. By ensuring that soils remain healthy and balanced, we can improve agricultural outcome and protect these valuable resources for future generation. Managing soil's physical properties is a key to ensure sustainable farming practice and environmental health.
That's all from our group. Thank you for your time.